A keto diet meal plan and menu that can transform your body. If you discover yourself in a discussion about dieting or weight loss, opportunities are you'll become aware of the ketogenic, or keto, diet. That's since the keto diet has actually become one of the most popular techniques worldwide to shed excess weight and improve health. Research study has demonstrated that embracing this low-carb, high-fat diet plan can promote weight loss and even improve specific conditions such as type 2 diabetes and cognitive decline. This short video discusses what to consume and prevent while following a keto diet plan and offers a 1-week keto meal plan to get you began. Ketogenic diet basics. The keto diet plan, as a rule, is extremely low in carbohydrates, high in fat and moderate in protein. When following a ketogenic diet, carbohydrates are usually decreased to under 50 grams daily, though stricter and looser variations of the diet plan exist. Fats needs to replace most of cut carbs and provide approximately 75% of your overall calorie intake. Proteins ought to account for around 20% of energy requirements, while carbohydrates are typically limited to 5%. This carbohydrate decrease forces your body to depend on fats for its primary energy source rather than glucose, a procedure referred to as ketosis. While in ketosis, your body utilizes ketones, particles produced in the liver from fats, when glucose is limited as an alternate fuel source. Though fat is frequently prevented for its high-calorie material, research study shows that ketogenic diet plans are considerably more reliable at promoting weight loss than low-fat diets. Plus, keto diet plans lower appetite and increase satiety, which can be particularly helpful when attempting to lose weight. Ketogenic diet meal plan. Changing over to a ketogenic diet plan can appear overwhelming, however, it does not have to be hard. Your focus ought to be on lowering carbohydrates while increasing the fat and protein material of meals and treats. In order to reach and stay in a state of ketosis, carbohydrates should be restricted. While particular individuals might just attain ketosis by eating less than 20 grams of carbs per day, others may succeed with much higher carbohydrate intake. Normally, the lower your carb consumption, the easier it is to reach and remain in ketosis. This is why sticking to keto-friendly foods and preventing products abundant in carbs is the very best way to effectively slim down on a ketogenic diet. Keto-friendly foods to eat. When following a ketogenic diet plan, meals and snacks ought to focus around the following foods: eggs, pastured, organic whole eggs make the best choice. Poultry, chicken and turkey. Fatty fish, wild-caught salmon, herring and mackerel. Meat, grass-fed beef, venison, pork, organ meats and bison. Full-fat dairy, yogurt, butter and cream. Full-fat cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, brie, goat cheese and cream cheese. Nuts and seeds, macadamia nuts, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, peanuts and flax seeds. Nut butter, natural peanut, almond and cashew butters. Healthy fats, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut butter and sesame oil. Avocados, whole avocados can be added to almost any meal or snack. Non-starchy vegetables, greens, broccoli, tomatoes, mushrooms and peppers. Condiments, salt, pepper, vinegar, lemon juice, fresh herbs and spices. Foods to avoid. Avoid foods rich in carbs while following a keto diet. The following foods must be limited: bread and baked goods, white bread, whole wheat bread, crackers, cookies, donuts and rolls. Sweets and sugary foods, sugar, ice cream, candy, maple syrup, agave syrup and coconut sugar. Sweetened beverages, soda, juice, sweetened teas and sports drinks. Pasta, spaghetti and noodles. Grains and grain products, wheat, rice, oats, breakfast cereals and tortillas. Starchy vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, corn, peas and pumpkin. Beans and legumes, black beans, chickpeas, lentils and kidney beans. Fruit, citrus, grapes, bananas and pineapple. High-carb sauces, barbecue sauce, sugary salad dressings and dipping sauces. Certain alcoholic beverages, beer and sugary mixed drinks. Though carbohydrates must be restricted, low-glycemic fruits such as berries can be enjoyed in limited amounts as long as you're keeping a keto-friendly macronutrient variety. Be sure to select healthy food sources and avoid processed foods and unhealthy fats. The following items should be prevented: unhealthy fats, margarine, shortening and vegetable oils such as canola and corn oil. Processed foods, fast food, packaged foods and processed meats such as hot dogs and lunch meats. Diet foods, foods that contain artificial colors, preservatives and sweeteners such as sugar alcohols and aspartame. Keto-friendly beverages. Sugar can be discovered in a wide range of drinks including juice, soda, iced tea and coffee beverages. While on a ketogenic diet plan, high-carb drinks need to be prevented just like high-carb foods. It's no little matter that sweet drinks have also been linked to numerous health issues from obesity to an increased danger of diabetes. Thankfully, there are lots of yummy, sugar-free choices for those on the keto diet. Keto-friendly beverage options include water. Water is the best choice for hydration and should be consumed throughout the day. Sparkling water. Sparkling water can make an excellent soda replacement. Unsweetened coffee. Try heavy cream to add flavor to your cup of joe. Unsweetened green tea. Green tea is delicious and provides many health benefits. If you wish to add some additional taste to your water, attempt experimenting with different keto-friendly taste mixes. For instance, tossing some fresh mint and lemon peel into your water bottle can make hydration a breeze. Though alcohol needs to be limited, delighting in a low-carb drink like vodka or tequila blended with soda is completely great on occasion. A sample keto menu for 1 week. The following menu provides less than 50 grams of overall carbs per day. As pointed out above, some individuals might have to lower carbohydrates even further in order to reach ketosis. This is a general 1-week ketogenic menu that can be changed depending upon private dietary requirements. Monday. Breakfast, 2 eggs fried in pastured butter served with sautéed greens. Lunch, a bunless grass-fed burger topped with cheese, mushrooms and avocado atop a bed of greens. Dinner, pork chops with green beans sautéed in coconut oil. Tuesday. Breakfast, mushroom omelette. Lunch, tuna salad with celery and tomato atop a bed of greens. Dinner, roast chicken with cream sauce and sautéed broccoli. Wednesday. Breakfast, bell pepper stuffed with cheese and eggs. Lunch, arugula salad with hard-boiled eggs, turkey, avocado and blue cheese. Dinner, grilled salmon with spinach sautéed in coconut oil. Thursday. Breakfast, full-fat yogurt topped with keto granola. Lunch, steak bowl with cauliflower rice, cheese, herbs, avocado and salsa. Dinner, bison steak with cheesy broccoli. Friday. Breakfast, baked avocado egg boats. Lunch, Caesar salad with chicken. Dinner, pork chops with vegetables. Saturday. Breakfast, cauliflower toast topped with cheese and avocado. Lunch, bunless salmon burgers topped with pesto. Dinner, meatballs served with zucchini noodles and Parmesan cheese. Sunday. Breakfast, coconut milk chia pudding topped with coconut and walnuts. Lunch, Cobb salad made with greens, hard-boiled eggs, avocado, cheese and turkey. Dinner, coconut chicken curry. As you can see, ketogenic meals can be varied and tasty. Although lots of ketogenic meals are based around animal items, there is a wide range of vegetarian alternatives to choose from too. If you're following a more liberal ketogenic diet plan, including a cup of berries to your breakfast or a small serving of a starchy veggie to your supper will increase the variety of carbs in this meal plan. Healthy ketogenic snack options. Snacking in between meals can assist moderate cravings and keep you on track while following a ketogenic diet. Since the ketogenic diet is so filling, you may just need 1 or 2 treats daily, depending on your activity level. Here are some exceptional, keto-friendly treat options: almonds and cheddar cheese. Half an avocado stuffed with chicken salad. Guacamole with low-carb veggies. Trail mix made with unsweetened coconut, nuts and seeds. Hard-boiled eggs. Coconut chips. Kale chips. Olives and sliced salami. Celery and peppers with herbed cream cheese dip. Berries with heavy whipping cream. Jerky. Cheese roll-ups. Parmesan crisps. Macadamia nuts. Greens with high-fat dressing and avocado. Keto smoothie made with coconut milk, cocoa and avocado. Avocado cocoa mousse. Though these keto snacks can maintain fullness between meals, they can also contribute to weight gain if you're snacking excessive throughout the day. It is necessary to consume the appropriate number of calories based upon your activity level, weight reduction goal, age and gender. If you're uncertain the number of calories you should be eating, check out this short article to find out how to compute energy requirements. Keto-friendly snacks should be high in fat, moderate in protein and low in carbs. Increase your fiber intake by snacking on sliced, low-carb vegetables with a high-fat dipping sauce. If you're interested on more recipe that will help you determine what food is right to eat and will help you reduce more weight in just a short period of time with a proper instruction, just click the first link in the description.